If you're over 60 and finding that even simple weight shifts make you feel unsteady, you're not alone, and you're not broken. Balance doesn't vanish overnight. It fades slowly as the systems that keep you upright, in your core, hips, and inner ear, go quiet from lack of use. The good news? You can reawaken them in just 3 minutes a day. In this video, you'll learn 3 gentle, proven moves that retrain your balance safely, at home, with no equipment. Let's begin. If you're over 60 and have started feeling more unsteady, maybe while walking, standing from a chair, or turning, it's not just getting older. What's really happening is this. Your internal balance systems have gone quiet from lack of use. Balance isn't just about having strong legs. It's controlled by 3 powerful systems working together. Your feet and ankle sensors, which detect shifts in pressure and position. Your hips and core muscles, which help realign your center of mass. Your vestibular system, inside your ears, which tells your brain where you are in space. When we don't challenge these systems regularly, which often happens after 60 due to less movement, more caution, or past falls, they begin to weaken. It becomes harder to react when you stumble, harder to stay steady when shifting weight, and harder to move with confidence. But here's the good news. Just like muscles, these systems can be retrained, and you don't need a gym, pills, or complex routines to do it. By practicing simple, focused movements like the ones in today's session, you're not just exercising. You're reawakening pathways between your body and brain. Each of today's 3 movements targets a specific part of your balance network. The first exercise retrains your side-to-side shifting, a common moment where many seniors lose balance. The second exercise activates your vestibular system by forcing your eyes and head to coordinate while standing. The third exercise challenges your brain, core, and legs to stabilize during one of the most important skills in aging well, single leg control. These movements may feel small, but they create big internal changes. In fact, many seniors report feeling more stable after just a few days of practicing them. And the best part? You're training your body in a way that's directly useful for daily life. Getting out of a car, turning while walking, stepping over obstacles. Real-life balance, trained in just 3 minutes. Let's begin with the first move, gentle side-to-side weight shifts that retrain your ability to shift and pause, the building block of stable movement. This first move trains one of the most underrated skills in balance recovery, side-to-side weight shifting. Most people think falls happen when walking forward, but for seniors, many falls occur when shifting weight laterally, like when stepping sideways, reaching across your body, or changing direction. This gentle, rhythmic movement retrains your hips, ankles, and brain to sense and control side-to-side motion with greater confidence. Here's how to do it. Stand behind a sturdy chair, kitchen counter, or near a wall. Place your feet hip-width apart, knees slightly bent. Slowly shift your weight to the left foot while lifting your right heel slightly. Pause for 2 seconds. Feel the weight in your left foot and left hip. Slowly shift your weight to the right foot, lifting your left heel slightly. Again, pause and feel the shift. Continue this gentle rocking side to side for 1 minute. Breathe naturally. Keep your shoulders relaxed. You're not rushing. You're retraining awareness. Feel every shift, every pause. This trains your body to stop relying only on forward movement and regain confidence in lateral control. Tips for best results. Keep a slight bend in your knees. Locked knees reduce responsiveness. Engage your abdominal muscles slightly to support your spine. Keep your eyes forward, not down. This helps your vestibular system kick in. Imagine you're controlling a slow-motion dance, smooth and calm. To increase the challenge, close your eyes for a few reps, but only if you're near support. Try lifting the opposite foot slightly off the floor, just an inch or 2. Or, extend your arms out to the sides to engage your shoulders and torso. You may feel a little wobble. That's not weakness, that's reactivation. That's your body remembering how to control your center of mass. Do this for about 1 to 2 minutes each day. You'll be amazed how this one simple motion can improve your ability to turn, pivot, and reach safely. This second movement may look simple, but it trains one of the most powerful, and often ignored, systems behind your balance, your vestibular system. This system lives inside your inner ear and helps your brain know where your head is in space. It works together with your eyes and your muscles to keep you steady as you move. But after 60, it often gets underused, especially if you've stopped turning your head as much due to fear of dizziness or falls. That's exactly what we're going to retrain now. This move will help your brain and inner ear work together again, which means quicker reactions, better balance in motion, and less hesitation when walking or turning. Here's how to do it. Stand next to a wall or behind a sturdy chair. Bring your feet together or keep them hip-width apart for stability. Engage your core gently, just enough to support your posture. Lift your head slightly and focus your eyes on something in front of you. A doorknob, clock, or sticky note works well. Now, slowly turn your head left and right, about 1 second each direction. Keep your eyes on that fixed point the entire time. Continue for 30 seconds. Then rest. Repeat once more if comfortable. What's happening here is subtle, but incredibly effective. Your eyes and inner ear are being forced to recalibrate. Your brain is relearning how to stabilize your body during motion, especially helpful for preventing those dangerous off-balance moments during turns. Important safety tips. If you feel dizzy, stop immediately. That's a sign the system is reactivating, but don't push through it. Try again later with slower movement or while seated. Don't close your eyes yet. That removes visual input, and we want to train the coordination, not eliminate it. If this feels easy, try it standing on one foot with support nearby, just a few seconds at a time. Progression tips. Start seated if you're new to this. Then try standing with feet together. To increase difficulty, slow the head movement or try it with one foot slightly forward, tandem stance. If you're able, try removing hand support briefly, but only if you feel steady. Many seniors avoid turning their heads, especially while walking, and this creates a dangerous feedback loop of stiffness and hesitation. By practicing this movement daily, you help your nervous system relearn how to move with confidence. This final move is a powerhouse. It brings everything together: your core, legs, feet, posture, and focus. It's called the single leg balance hold, and it's one of the most reliable indicators of real-world stability. If you can stand on one leg confidently, even for a few seconds, you dramatically lower your risk of falling. It means your body can control itself during moments when only one leg is in contact with the ground, which happens all the time: climbing stairs, turning, getting out of the car. This exercise challenges your nervous system, muscles, and reflexes to work together without needing a gym or equipment. Here's how to do it safely. Stand near a sturdy surface like a chair or counter. Place both feet together, arms relaxed at your sides. Gently shift your weight onto one foot. Slowly lift the other foot a few inches off the ground. Don't rush it. Keep your gaze forward at a fixed point for balance. Engage your core, relax your shoulders, and breathe steadily. Hold for 10-30 seconds, then switch sides. Repeat up to 3 times per leg, if comfortable. What you should feel. Your standing foot and ankle may wobble. This is good. They're learning to stabilize. Your glutes and core should engage slightly to keep your pelvis aligned. Your breath should stay calm. If you're holding your breath, lower your lifted foot and reset. Tips for safer execution. Start with the chair in front of you, then progress to having it at your side. Use a mirror to check if your upper body leans or twists. Aim for upright posture. Do not lock your standing knee. A soft bend keeps muscles active and joints safe. If lifting the leg feels too hard, try just shifting weight onto one leg without lifting. Progressions for challenge. Close your eyes for 5 seconds once steady, only near support. Try the hold with arms extended out to the sides or overhead. Switch surfaces. Go from hardwood to a soft mat to increase demand. Add a gentle head turn while balancing if you completed the previous exercise easily. This single leg practice rewires your brain and muscles to work in harmony. Just 1 to 2 minutes per day can rebuild the reflexes needed to recover from a trip, step confidently into a new direction, or regain balance after a bump. You might not feel dramatic change overnight, but stay consistent. Your control, strength, and confidence will grow steadily. You just completed 3 targeted exercises that rebuild balance from the ground up, literally. In just a few minutes, you activated your feet, your core, your brain, and your inner ear. These aren't random movements. They're part of a proven method to retrain your balance systems safely and efficiently. Even if you felt a little wobbly, that's okay. That's your nervous system waking up. And the more you practice, the more stable and confident you'll feel. Here's what to remember. Consistency beats intensity. 1 minute a day is better than one hard workout a week. These moves don't just improve balance. They support independence, strength, and your ability to stay active and engaged in life. If you repeat these exercises daily, your body will adapt, and you'll feel it. When you get up from a chair, when you walk down the street, when you step over something without hesitation. So keep going. Drop a comment below. Tell us how you feel after this session. Use the phrase, "I'm waking up my balance," and let us know which move helped you the most. Share this video with someone over 60 who wants to feel steadier, stronger, and more in control. And don't miss what's coming next. We've got a special routine for seniors who need more seated support, plus a daily balance reset you can do in under 2 minutes before breakfast. So be sure to subscribe and click the bell, because better balance starts with small steps. You're not done. You're just getting started. Stay strong, stay steady, and I'll see you in the next video.